Everyone works differently. Some people like to get their head down and work alone on projects, while others prefer feedback and interaction along the way. That's before you even get to team members who work remotely or have a hybrid arrangement. With all these different working styles, it can sometimes be difficult to draw your team together for creative collaboration. Difficult, but not impossible. Encouraging creativity and collaboration is important. As a leader, you can set an example. If your team sees you sharing ideas, communicating openly, and collaborating with colleagues, they're much more likely to do so themselves. And collaboration, whether in person or through remote channels, is good for everyone. This course will show you how to use tools to integrate relationship building and social interaction into the workflow. It'll help show you how to provide the infrastructure and resources that enable collaboration. And it'll help you identify ways to reinforce a collaborative culture, from celebrating successful collaborations to learning from mistakes.